Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm watching a lot of teasers and trailers today, huh? Because I realized so many teasers and trailers have dropped like one by one by one. So I am going to be watching the trailer for Game Changer. This is a film which stars Ram Charan and Kiara Advani. So the trailer has released in multiple languages. I wanted to watch the trailer in Telugu, then I realized that there are no subtitles. So I'm going to be watching the Hindi trailer right now. So let's not delay this any further. Let's watch it right away.
एक हाथी जो 10 निवालों में अपना पेट भरता है, अगर वो एक निवाला गिरा भी दे तो उसे वैसे कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन वही लाखों चिड़ियों का खाना हो सकता है। मैं भी आप सबसे वो हाथी का एक निवाला ही मांग रहा हूँ।
कलेक्टर साहब बहुत भूखे हैं, इन्हें भी हाथी का निवाला चाहिए।
इस पार्टी का उद्देश्य है सेवा करना, पैसे कमाना नहीं।
मैं साइड सत्यम, आदमी एकदम सीधा हूँ, सिर्फ शरीर ही टेढ़ा जाता है।
कोई आपकी बीवी को कुछ सेकंड से घूरता रहे
तो उसे छोड़ देंगे। shout out to Pushpa खिचक what is doing?
नहीं हो सकती। अगर कुछ अच्छा करना हो तो सही वक्त का इंतजार नहीं करते। हाँ कर दो ना।
So Ram Charan is the game changer. He will change the system.
शपथ लेता हूँ।
Oh, SJ Surya is there, na? Perfect villain.
सर, Have a blast!
Oh, I like this music.
तो मिनिस्टर रहेगा सिर्फ 5 साल के लिए, पर मैं मरते दम तक रहूंगा IAS।
An IAS officer.
समझ गया रे? समझ गया? तो लिख के दे रे। इज्जत दोगे तो इज्जत मिलेगी। क्या कर रहा है वो? I'm unpredictable.
Oh yeah, it's releasing this weekend, like this coming weekend only. So I heard some news that the songs of Game Changer, Shankar spent about, like from the budget, 75 crores was spent like on the songs. On, I think there are 4 or 5 songs there. So on those songs, like the total spent was 75 crores. So like it's gone larger than life basically. Shankar's last film was not great at all. But here also we can see that this is a story about system versus the common man, and basically Ram Charan's character, he is the game changer. Like basically, I think the motto of the underlying moral and the motto of the story is that every individual can be a game changer in the system. Right? It's not like every power resides, like all kinds of power resides with the politicians, and you can't break the system, but you can be the change, you can be the game changer. Then that every citizen has that power to do that. Maybe this is what I'm guessing. So many looks of Ram Charan I'm seeing. So, and SJ Surya is the villain. I love SJ Surya, and he's just such a perfect cast for the villain character. I mean, guys, Sariputta Sanivaram, come on. Like him versus Nani, he was so good in that. He was so freaking good in that. So yeah, I have no doubts that SJ Surya is going to kill it. And him versus Ram Charan, yeah, that's going to be a good showdown. And of course, the story is going to have the social message and also I'm really looking forward to it because, see, it's not like Shankar has not made great movies. He has made some really, really amazing films, right? So just because Indian 2 was bad doesn't mean that, oh yeah, we are not interested in seeing like what his next venture is going to be. Because production wise, what I'm seeing in the trailer, yeah, I can see that there's a lot of money that has been spent and put into this, and Ram Charan is a fabulous actor and he really puts his heart and soul into the character. So I am definitely looking forward to the release of this film, and I really hope that it's a big comeback for Shankar and that we can say that, okay, fine, you know what, in his whole repertoire of films, yeah, there were few misses, but yeah, look at Game Changer. Game Changer is a game changer for him. So I hope we can say that after the release of this film. So yeah, you guys let me know what did you think of this trailer, and those were my thoughts, guys, and I'm gonna sign off now from this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.